Hey, what is going on? Tony Bryan here. So, in this video, we are going to make a new utility pouch. I just recently made one of these, but this one is actually going to fold all the way open, making everything inside it super accessible. If you've not done so already, please smash that like button, subscribe to the channel if you think you can tolerate me for more than 5 minutes. Leave a comment. If you don't have anything to say, at least tell me where you're from. I've recently just had a guy from the Philippines hit me up, which is awesome because I actually just spent a month in the Philippines. If you want to build this pouch for yourself, I'll leave a link in the description below on how you can get your hands on the sewing patterns. So if you're building a heavy duty product, you're going to want heavy duty materials. In this, I'm going to use 1000 denier corduroy nylon, 1-inch nylon webbing at 1.2 millimeter, nylon bungee, number 69 bonded nylon thread, number 5 Vislon YKK zippers. Yeah, no expense bird. It's about $4 in materials. So if I'm going to be blabbing along the whole video here, I might as well teach you guys some stuff. So this is a little technique I picked up watching videos on how people sew in sweatshops. So it's a little way to conserve your bobbin thread. What you're going to do is you're just going to keep running stuff through your machine. As it's done, you cut it off and you refeed it through. This way you never have to really take anything off and it's just efficient. Saves bobbin thread and you just keep going. Saves time. Like, do you have any idea how expensive about 3 inches of bobbin thread is? Jeez. So this is number 5 YKK Vislon zipper. This is the side zipper gusset. You're going to connect this to your zipper with about a 1/4 inch seam allowance. Once you finish sewing that, you're going to fold it over and you're going to sew a top stitch in it. Any stitch that's not exposed, I'm going to run about a 3 millimeter. When you're able to see the stitch, I'm going to run about a 4 1/4, 4.5 millimeter stitch. Number 5 YKK Vislon zipper pull. On this part of the project, use 2 zipper pulls. I only had 1 zipper pull kicking around, so I can only use one. My blueprints call for 2 zipper pulls. Use 2 zipper pulls. I'm doing all the edge binding by hand in this video. A bit further along, I'll explain why. I'm just going to throw in a quick top stitch here. It's not necessary, but it just adds some strength and it looks pretty good. So when you have your front, side, and back all ready, you can start clipping it all together. As I said, you can use bulldog clips, staples, you can hold it, you can do whatever you find comfortable. I prefer the bulldog clips personally. Stitches like this are going to connect to what I like to call load-bearing stitches. I'm going to use about a 2.5 to 3 millimeters. Anything people are going to see, I'm going to use about 4, 4 1/4, 4.5. So I was recently told that, you know what, not everybody has like a binding machine, so I should show you guys how to do binding by hand. And honestly, there's nothing special behind it. It's literally just very time consuming. You take your binding, you fold it in half, and you just stitch it as neat as you can. This is a 3/4 inch nylon. And yeah, literally you just fold it over the seam and shoot a stitch down it and hope to God that everything's lined up and it looks neat when I'm done. If you got any questions, please leave a comment. I know either myself or someone else in the chat is gonna help you out. If there's anything you think I should know, I'm always looking to learn stuff. So I made this pouch for a police officer that's gonna use it for a blowout kit for gunshot wounds. It's going to contain Israeli bandages, chest seals, all the necessary things to help save your life. I just threw a couple of things in it here just for sizing, pretty much. It's a super easy project. If you want to make it for yourself, as I said, link in the description below to the blueprints. If you're not subscribed, consider subscribing, hit the like button, leave a comment, and as always, thank you for watching and take care, and I'll see you next time.